Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove Google Photos from storage. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that you need to click at the profile icon at the right top and then go to the free up storage on this device. Then click delete free items, or how much maybe you have more, and delete. Then got it. Click at the profile icon again and we need to disable backup. So click at the backup line and disable it. Now go back. Now click again at the profile icon. Click at the Manage Storage, scroll down, and you need to select Google Photos. And right here we have larger photos of individuals, but I haven't it, and unsupported. So if you have something, just select it, delete, understand, and permanently delete. Done. And that's it. You can also delete some of your photos by select them, then move it to the trash. But you do not remove them permanently. To remove them permanently, you need to go to Collections, then to the Trash, and right here, click at the three dots, select, and you can delete all photos here, or restore your photos. If you delete it from the trash, you will permanently delete them from your phone. So that's it. I mean, from account, not from the phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!